Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to contact customer service on Momondo. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Momondo account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Momondo? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type momondo.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Momondo. Once you get in there, check the top right corner to click on the sign in button and follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Momondo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to contact customer service on Momondo. Now I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have all of these tabs: flight stays, car rental packages, explore trips, and feedback. So go ahead and click on the feedback button. And it takes you here. So you can either give specific feedback or general feedback. If you have a question, you can click on this. So let's say feedback because I want to reach out to them directly. So click on the part of the page you would like to give feedback about. So let's say, click on that. So rate this part of the page. So do you want to rate it or do you not want to rate it? Go ahead and rate. If you want to give general feedback, just give a general feedback. Then if you have specific questions, click on got a question. And now how can we help? So scroll the way down. Now you have the contact segment, or you have this contact category, you have this remember. So over here, this is how you can contact them. This is Momondo AS, then this is the location and company registration, all of this. All right, so if you want to reach out to them, you can just go over to this address and let them know the reservations that you have. If you want to reach out to them here, say if you'd like to send us feedback or have any inquiries regarding the Momondo site, please use this feedback form or try our virtual assistant. So you can use the feedback form. Now fill this out, enter your email, your name, topic, message, and click on send feedback. They'll definitely receive it and give a response to you via mail. Or you can even contact us via a chat. So you can click on this chats and it's going to open up this chat box. So you can now click on start the chat. And now you have access to Momondo's virtual assistant, Roy. So Roy is going to help you. So hello Biz, welcome to Momondo. Please select, you can select any of that and just tailor your reservations, right? Just ensure that what you're saying is very specific, straight to the point. And Roy is definitely going to help you out. So this is pretty much how you can contact, support, or customer service in Momondo. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.